Hi sir, this is Hariharan. My topic is business models in e-commerce. There are nine types of e-commerce business platforms operating on any transaction carried online belongs to one of these models. First one is B2B. B2B means business to business. Also known as B2B is the largest economic largest e-commerce model. The model transfers both buyer and seller as business entities. It considers transactions from retailer to wholesaler and wholesaler to retailer. The sales taking place in B2B model are much higher than those taking place in B2C model. Some of the successful examples of e-commerce business working on this platform including Amazon, Alibaba, IBM and ExxonMobil Corporation among others. The B2B commerce model includes product of import, export, and position trade guides. It works to encourage businesses to go digital along with understanding buyers and suppliers in their market. The B2B business model is also one of the most commonly followed e commerce models throughout the world. And the next one is B2C. B2C is nothing but business to customer, also known as B2C, is one of the most common e-commerce business models and the thickest one. It offers products and services to individual customers and direct interactions in case of any issues. The B2C model works well with marketers and retailers selling a product and service to the buyer. It is a traditional e-commerce business model. All transactions are on, online. Some of all best B2C e-commerce business models includes like say Walmart, Staples, REA and Target. Some benefits of e-commerce business under this model include expansion of niche market, increased customer loyalty and affordable online transactions. If you are looking forward to providing customers with the best products and services, then choose the B2C e-commerce model of business. Thus, if you want to get to your target audience without wasting resources and time, the B2 is right option to choose. And the third one is B2G. B2G means business to government. This model includes companies utilizing online sources to do transactions with each other. The model known as public sector marketing includes promotion, products and services to different government levels. You can search online to understand the different types of e-commerce with diagram for an depth understanding. The B2G e-commerce model is best suited for everyday customers. And the fourth one is C2C. C2C is nothing but customer to customer product. We know that you might get confused as what would a C2C or customer to customer e-commerce business offer. However, this particular model goes by another name of citizen to citizen. A common example of this type of business includes an online auction. In this, one customer posts an item for sale and other customers bid. The advantages offered by this model is include this model must include the absence of an intermediary, wider reach, low transaction cost, and round the clock availability. If a person wants to access wider audience for their products and services with reduced transaction cost, they should choose the C2C. They must choose the C2C model. And the fifth one is C2B. C2B, known as customer to business e-commerce, includes customers selling products or services to the business. It is similar to the single proprietorship serving a large business entity. The one thing differentiating a C2B model from other business type is that customer creates the value of products. Freelancer working on a client's project work according to this model. Some successful C2B business includes Google AdSense, Commission, Junction, and Amazon. Hence, if you want to earn profits along with the being connected to some major business player, then choose C2B model. This model is very helpful. This type of e-commerce business in best decision you will make. The other one is C2G. The C2G short for customers to government e-commerce business. It allows consumers to provide feedback or ask for the information about government authority from the public sector. When you pay an electricity bill via the uh, government website to reach higher authorities without going, it is a favorite e-commerce business model. Hence, C2G model of business allows consumers to reach higher authorities without going round in circles. And the next one is G2C. G2C also refers to the interaction between the government and its customers in offering support either through response to consumer or government services and products. Such services includes land searches, confirmation of genuine license, and vehicle ownership searches despite such as non-payment of tax or tax refunds are resolved through online support on the government platforms. These are the electronic commerce activities such as paying taxes, land and vehicle registering, providing information to the public among others, performed between government and its citizenship for consumers. Though these platforms, the government avails essential services to these citizens efficiently. Information that should be in the public domain is conveyed with minimal cost through these platforms. And the other one is G2B. G2B is nothing but government to business. It is a term that refers to the relationship between the organizations of public administration and enterprises. G2C is a e-business informatics. An example of business to government service would be a small business providing IT consulting to a local government agency. The B2G category covers contracts of all sorts for goods, services, and information between businesses of all sizes and governments at all levels, like state, local, and federal. And the other one is G2G. G2G means government to government, terms that refers to the relationship between the organizations of public administration. This designation can be used for many relationship between subjects of public administration. However, mostly it is used as one of basic relationship within e-government models. An example of successful G2G market is Northeast Gang Information System (NEGIS). NEGIS is used by states in the Northeast to share information about street gangs, including gang related activities and gang intelligence. A successful G2G has the necessary resources for collaboration and communication between government agencies within the aim of better serving citizens. So, these are the types of e commerce. Thank you.